What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll show you how to update name servers on your website. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, you are inside the Google Chrome now, and I will open my domain register. This is where I have registered my domain. So if you want a detailed video on this website over here, where you can register your domain name as low as $1, I have made a separate video on that. You can click on this I button and watch this video. And so we will log into this domain registers from where we have bought this domain, so that we can go to the name server settings and change this same as our web hosting name servers that we have been provided. So I'll quickly log in using my email and the password. In the meantime, yes, so we are inside the Ionis dashboard. And you can see we have our channel name domain here. Just click on manage domain, and from this settings over here, always look for name servers. There's so many settings here to activate SSL and to lock your domain and all that. We don't want that now, so I'll just go to name servers, and from the name servers you will have to change the default name servers that we got from this website to the web hosting name servers that you will get with any web hosting. So if you want the best deal for your web hosting, make sure to check the description. I have a special deal for you guys. So now you can see we have all this custom named, the name servers which are updated by default. Just click on use custom name servers. We're going to be removing all this name servers. We don't want this name servers here. There's no name servers, by the way. So we were going to be updating this same as my hosting account. So this is one of my friends' hosting company. So I keep testing his web services, his hosting plans. So this is the name server 1, and NS2 is this name server 2. I will copy this and paste this in name server 2 and click on save. And just be advised that this can take up to 48 hours to for the changes to take effect, but not necessarily. Sometimes it gets updated in a minute, can take an hour. So once this name servers is updated, your website, that is my website in this case, is how to pro fix, same as my channel name. Now it's taking me to index. That means the website name servers are updated. So to make sure, you can go to this website called ho.is. Ho.is. Okay, this one here. Looks like this website is done. We will look for another one, whois.com, and then here you can type your address. How to pro fix. We can enter your website here, and you can see the name servers are updated. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.